I just realized that anyone looking at this rain, this weather will actually not go out to us. I don't carry umbrella come out. I don't carry umbrella come out like this. I need money. Mama I stay because it rain dey fall. I no go anywhere. This nonsense rain want to deprive me of many things. But thank God I get umbrella. My umbrella dey carry come out like this. Thank God for this umbrella. Anyway. That's a pete everywhere. Yeah, I can even see bike enter. The worst part be say, as this rain dey fall, you no go see bike. At least come out for where you go enter motor. You will trek. The way I bash your shoe go pull. Just go buy rubber shoe this rainy season. I will advise. Hey, wait, this gate. Yeah? Okay, sand. Nah. Okay, thank you. Woman, they tell me, say my back na sand because of the slippers wey I wear. The worst part is say, you don't even get better roads. Make una see road. Now the sea roads. Now the sea roads. Very soon, I will park come off for this place. Very soon, I will park come off for this place. Hey. It's my leg. Me way back, na, come out. See my leg. My leg don't turn to another thing. Hey. How do you see? Oh God. It's well with me.